Okay, I guess I have to make a video about this because no one knows what I'm talking about. I've been posting on Reddit and the CyberPower website and a couple other places. I bought this computer back in February, and that's supposed to light up. But they're not. The computer's on, and pretty much everyone's saying press the button on top. And it's not working. I've been holding the button. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that something isn't connected right. That everywhere I post about it, they say, just push the button.